What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be part 2 of the last video. In this video we're actually going to be installing some suspension parts, installing lower ball joints, the steering linkage, and the stabilizer bar links, because that is what I actually got in the box at the end of the last video. But yeah, I had to split that video up because that video was already 20 minutes long, and I didn't want you guys kind of sitting around watching me do things for 40 minutes. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so now that we have all the both of the wheels off, both the front wheels off over there, we're going to go ahead and take this whole front steering linkage off in one piece, or at least we're going to try. We're going to start with the tie rods, and then we're going to move in to the center link, and then we'll take the idler arm off, and hopefully this whole thing comes off in one piece. That way our new parts, we can kind of measure up exactly how far we need to go in on the inner and the outer tie rod, and try and do this without an alignment. I mean, it's going to need alignment anyways, but just trying to get it as straight as we can. And then we're also, going to do these stabilizer bar links right here. And then I think we're going to do the lower ball joints as well. At least we're going to try and knock it out tonight. If we don't get it done tonight, then we'll do it tomorrow. So yeah, let's get to getting everything off. You can see right there, that's the knuckle. Got it off. Tie rod's over there. Got the other side hanging over there. Now we just gotta get this idler arm off. If you can see that, it connects kind of up here. Here, let me see. Idler arm comes and connects right there. So we're gonna have to undo it from up here, and then undo the center link from the gearbox right here. So undo the steering linkage down there from the gearbox, if you can kind of see it. Let's see if I can get in there. So we're gonna undo that, and then yeah, this whole thing should just drop out. Alright, so here is the old steering linkage. Got the inner tie rods, center linkage, inner and outer tie rods on the other side. And then we also have this right here, which is the idler arm that mounts to the body of the car. And then we have this right here, this little link that goes to the gearbox of the power steering. So we got the old one out, got the new parts in here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try and match everything up, try and get it to as close as we can to this length, so we can keep the wheels kind of straight and keep as best as an alignment as we can. So we don't really have to, or so that we don't mess with the alignment that it came with, because the alignment that it came with is actually pretty good, it's pretty straight. So we're going to try and keep with this length and go from there. So I'll set you guys up on tripod, and you can basically watch me try and map this out, get the length, bolt everything down, and then we'll put it all back in. So here it is all put together, and we're about to fit it up under the car. I did not tighten these clamps down yet, or the outer tie rods, just so we can line everything up first, and then we'll get the measuring for those, and then we'll adjust it under the car. That way everything fits nice and good. So I'll set you guys up and we'll put it back in. Alright y'all, so my camera died over there. Ended up dying. Put in the other two batteries. Those are already dead just because it's been so long since I filmed. So we're stuck with the phone. So the quality may be a little bit different, but this is basically it. Got the outer tie rods in. Got the clamping sleeve, inner tie rod in there. So moving closer, got the idle arm that goes up top, and then this is what I was talking about earlier, where I had to get to that bolt in there and that other bolt over there. I'll move on. Got the center link up to the gear box for the steering, power steering, and then the other inner and outer tie rod. I tried to get these as close as I could. Both sides were reading about 17 inches out. These are about a little bit before 17, so it's just a little bit of toe in, which isn't necessarily bad, just because road forces when you go pull outwards when you go, so a little bit of toe in isn't bad. Of course it's not going to be accurate. I still have to go get it aligned to be like perfectly on par. So yeah, that is going to be it for tonight. We'll pick it up tomorrow. I am picking up an aftermarket part because after we finish this, finish getting the new stabilizer links in, and then we finish putting the lower ball joints in right there, we can actually start upgrading stuff. All right y'all, so it is currently the next day, and today we're going to be doing the sway bar links, which are these ones right there, and we're going to be doing the lower ball joints, which is that right there. Kind of our plan of attack is to get the sway bar link unhooked from the sway bar, get all that down, and then we're going to drop this shock from the top. So we're going to undo this nut right here and kind of drop the shock down slowly, using the jack to kind of try and release the spring in there, kind of make it safe, and then we'll knock the old ball joint out, and then we'll press in the new one. I have a ball joint press tool, so we'll press that one in, and then we'll go ahead and replace the sway bar link with the new links that we have, and this whole front end will be done. So shoot you guys up on tripod, and we'll get right into it. Alright, so we had to take a little bit of different approach. We had to take the caliper off, the front tie rod end off of the spindle, which is this right here. We had to undo the shock, and basically what we're going to do is down right here is where the ball joint connects to the spindle. So what we're going to do is basically pop this spindle off, pop this out, and then we'll have full access to the ball joint without fully dropping the spring out. So that is the method that we found that would work best, and it's also safer, so the spring doesn't come shooting out. So yeah. Alright, so quick little update. Got the spindle off. There's a ball joint. You see the boot's kind of destroyed from this pickle fork right here. But yeah, there's a spindle sitting over there. All set, ready to go. Now, first thing I'm gonna try is try and hit out the sledgehammer. I know sometimes you can get lucky and hit it out with just a sledgehammer. If it doesn't come out, no worries. We could always press it out too. So keep on going. I don't think she's coming out. Alright guys, so unfortunately we're going to have to stop here. We have the ball joint already pressed out. Everything's all disconnected, spindle's out, front strut's over there. Unfortunately, the ball joints that we ordered do not fit at all. So here's the one that came out. We mic'd it. We had to press it out so we know that it fits in there, and we can't just slide it back up in there. Try to fit it back up in there just by hand, and we know that it's tight. So here, as you can see, we tried to press it in. Not even close. Not even close. Mic'd it out. They're off by 0.02 inches, and putting that into here with such a tight tolerance that it can only be so wide to fit in here, yeah, it's never gonna fit. I don't understand how. I don't know. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna have to put this on hold, contact them, and we'll go from there. Yeah, we'll continue the new lower ball joints in. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully we get this show back on the road. Don't forget to follow the Instagram. Bunch of stuff being uploaded there. I know I'm not really posting that much there, just been a little bit busy, but yeah, I'll try to post on there more, so don't forget to follow that. Let me know if you like this video. Comment below anything that I could improve on, but yeah, see you guys later. Peace.